Hello guys, welcome to Cybercrush YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we will solve the day 2 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's video. So guys, here I have made the complete playlist of Advent of Cyber 2025 full walkthrough. So guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends, and guys, please save this playlist so that you can get all our videos regarding Advent of Cyber 2025 and subscribe to Cybercrust YouTube channel. Guys, now we are on the Try Hack Me dashboard. So guys, now we can move to AOC, that is Advent of Cyber. So we can scroll down and we can continue our learnings. So guys, here we have the Phishing Merry Christmas room, Phishing Merry Christmas, and this room is unlocked, so let's click it. And now we have the Phishing Merry Clickmas. So we have to start our attack box. Here we have the phishing video that is from Industrial Expert, and here we have the introduction and the story begins from here. So guys, here basically the story is the best festival company and the red team of the best festival company has organized a pen testing program. So they were performing the phishing attack on their employee to check that whether they are aware about the phishing techniques or not. So guys, here we have the learning objectives like understanding what is social engineering, phishing, and learn how red team create fake login interfaces and use the social engineering kit to perform the phishing email. So guys, here we have the connecting to phishing techniques. So we can connect to our attack box and VM. Guys, now let's start the attack machine, and we can also here we can start the target machine also. So these both are loading and will be set in few seconds, so we can wait. Here we have the IP addresses. So yes, this is taking some time, so we can give a check. And so we can move to task 2, and here we have the task 2 phishing exercise for TVFC. So here we have the social engineering. What is social engineering? Social engineering is a technique of manipulating the attacker's mindset. We are directly not attacking to the system. We are manipulating the target user's brain. So we are playing with the mindset of the user and we are trying to reveal the secrets, reveal the credentials from them. So basically social engineering can be done using phishing, wishings, and many more things. So guys, basically phishing is done using the emails, and in this room we are going to use the phishing technique. As is in this room we are going to use a phishing toolkit and we are going to perform the phishing email attack or the social engineering attack on the TVFC members. And guys, this is completely ethically and we will perform this in the virtual machine of Try Hack Me. Let's open the terminal. To use the set toolkit, so we are going to move into this directory. So we will use cd, then slash, then we can simply select this text and we can copy, and here we will simply paste this. Guys, now we are inside the room AOC 2025 and day 2 directory. To start listening to that server, we need to run this script, paste here, and we can give enter. So guys, now you can see our server has already started. On this address you can check. So now guys, we can deliver our social engineering toolkit. So guys, now our setup is done. So see how it's looking. So we can move to this http 127.0.0. So we can move to this. So we can copy. Guys, here we can paste that and we can give enter. So guys, this is the interface that will be showing to the target user. So guys, now minimize it down, and here you can see our server has started receiving. So here we have opened a new terminal. Sorry, we have opened a new tab, and here to start the set toolkit. So we can type set toolkit and we can give enter. So guys, now you can see our social engineering attack toolkit has already started here. So you can see, select from main menu. So like to start, choose one will display another menu. So we will type choose one because we are using social engineering attack. So yeah, now it's taking some time, so let's wait. So yeah, now it's done. So we can pick 5 for mass malware attack. So here with the mass malware attack, so we will click 5 and give enter. So guys, now we will scroll down and here you can read. So here we would select one, either email attack, single email address. So here we will use type 1 and give enter. So send email to. So like now we have to give the this email id, so we will send to this email id. So we will paste here and give enter. So now we will use your own server, so we will use 2. So write 2 and give enter. So from address, so like we will tell them like we are the flying deer, so we will copy this and we'll paste that address and we'll give enter. So from the username and password, as per the instruction, we will click blank. No, from name, that is a flying deer. So we will paste that. And now the username and the password, as for the instruction, we will keep it blank. So we will give enter and another enter. So now the SMTP, we will enter this IP. So yeah, we will paste that. So yeah, we'll give no and email subject like your shipping schedule changes. So yes, we can simply copy this and we can give a paste and enter. So we will send this. Now we want to send this as a plain text. So we can simply write here P and we can give enter. So now we have to enter the message body. So we can you can give of your own, but at the message last we have to end with end, and we have to include the this password, this URL in the message. You must include this URL in the message. Guys, here we will type the message. Yes, I have written the message and I've also paste that IP here. So to end this message, we can write END and we can give a enter. So now it's done. So now phishing email has been sent to the target. So the phishing email has already sent to the target. Now we have already sent the phishing email to the target and here we will open the terminal. So guys, here we can see that we are getting the that our listener is already started listening and capturing the data, so we can wait to get the access. So let's wait. Now you can see here we have captured the username and the password. So guys, here what is the password used to access the TPFC portal? So guys, here we have the password. So let's select this and we will copy and here we will give a paste and check. So guys, this is correct. Now we can browse to this to see the factory users data. We can open the Firefox and here we can type the URL, that is HTTP. So we will type the URL and here you can see Like this is the factory user, so we'll enter the username as the factory and as password. Minimize it down, and from here we can select the password and we can give a copy, and yes, simply we can move to the terminal and here we can paste that and we'll log in. Not now. So guys, here you can see the data and here the flying deer email that we have sent using the phishing email tool. So guys, here we have another email. So like here I think, what is the total number of toys expected delivery? So guys, here is the number. This is very large. So guys, you can calculate of your own. So I will simply copy and I will paste here and give a check. So guys, if you enjoyed today's room, fail to check out phishing prevention room. I think there is another room that is suggested by Try Hack Me. So we can check that room. So it's loading. This is a premium room, like we'll check also. So guys, yes, you did it. Phishing Mary Clickmas complete. So guys, we have successfully completed the day 2 challenge. Continue here, and guys, I have collected one Try Hack Me Advent of Cyber ticket. So I've continued. So here we can move to Wareville, and guys, like scroll and you can see we have completed Phishing Mary Clickmas room. So guys, we have successfully completed the day 2 room of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, for more solutions, subscribe to Cybercrest YouTube channel. Thank you.